Russia's new Article 177S jet engine, an enhanced Su-57 derived power plant shown at the Dubai Air Show, is built for advanced 4++ and 5th generation fighters. Featuring a turbojet bypass design, afterburner, and supersonic asymmetric thrust vectoring nozzle, it delivers up to triple the thrust of older AL-31F engines, while boosting fuel efficiency via a digital control system with hydromechanical backup. Fully compatible with AL-31F/FP equipped aircraft, it offers easy replacement, and its jagged Su-57 style nozzle improves maneuverability and overall performance.